Today we're making some lovely cherry almond buns, and what we need today is just to add about 120 grams of butter to a bowl and cream it with 120 grams of sugar. So we're going to use our electric whisk for this. So when you cream butter and sugar, it's good to make sure that they're creamed till they're pale. I'll just show you there. And then the next thing we're going to add in is our egg and our flour. Now, only a little bit of the flour first. So we're going to blend that egg in with the flour to make sure that the egg doesn't curdle. From low setting. The egg hasn't curdled, so we'll just add in our flour. And lastly, we're going to add in our ground almonds and half a teaspoon of almond essence. So I've got my measuring teaspoons here. This gives a lovely kind of bakewell style flavour to it. Just a little drop of almond essence. And we're just going to blend that one more time. The last thing we're going to do is take our muffin cases, finish filling our tray. And we'll put the almond mixture in each muffin case. And they'll go into the oven at about 180 degrees. Now we're ready to ice our buns, and to make the icing, we're just going to add a little bit of boiling water to some icing sugar. And just mix it in. We still want the icing to be kind of runny. That's a nice thick consistency for the icing. So what we're going to do is just pour the icing just on the center of each bun. Don't worry if it spreads a little bit. And ideally, if you can wait, it's better, but we'll just put a little cherry on the top of each.